Welcome to the AI Technology Chronicles. Today is episode 3, Tuesday, June 2nd, 2026, morning session. Today, we are looking at Firecrawl Monitor from firecrawl.dev. I am going to reveal 3 secrets from mastering automated web intelligence, saving the most powerful one for last. Business owners and corporate teams use Firecrawl Monitor to automatically track competitor pricing, content changes, and market signals. This setup handles the repetitive work that usually consumes hours of a team's week. Instead of loading several competitor websites side by side to manually find a hidden update, you receive a clean, automated Slack alert the moment it happens. Make sure you are listening on all your favorite podcast platforms, LinkedIn and YouTube. Automating this work changes how an organization operates, allowing teams to act on market shifts the moment they happen. Secret number 3 is the baseline monitor setup. You visit firecrawl.dev, create an account, paste your target URL, select your change detection parameters, and set the alert frequency. Once finished, the system monitors the page for you and sends a notification only when a specific change is confirmed. This diagram shows the noise trend. Monitoring a broad root domain triggers alerts for every minor footer update or blog comment. To get clean data, you must isolate a specific high-value path, like a /pricing page. This baseline alert is only the foundation. Secret 1 shows how to turn these updates into analysis that informs real-world business strategy. Establishing a noise-free alert on a single pricing page proves that daily manual site checks can be removed from a team's schedule entirely. Secret 2 is competitive routing. 5 specific competitor nodes feed streams into a central Firecrawl monitor, flagging market changes simultaneously. Alerts push to Slack or email for weekly review. Calibrate frequency carefully. Too fast and ignored webhooks create information blind spots. While this intermediate setup keeps your team sharp, Secret 1 streamlines the final analysis stage, where most manual work usually stalls. Automated competitive routing ensures sales and marketing teams can see a competitive shift before it impacts their pipeline. Pause the video now, write down the top 5 competitor URLs you need to track, and the specific page elements, like a pricing table, you want to monitor. Don't move on until your list is finished. Secret number 1 is building the advanced AI pipeline. This flowchart shows the Firecrawl node connecting to a JSON parser, then an LLM prompt, and finally an executive email. This connects the monitor output directly to a workflow engine like N8N or LangChain. Feeding raw HTML into a model is inefficient. By normalizing the data into structured workdown or JSON first, you ensure the AI receives a clear record of exactly what changed on the page. The AI processes these structured blocks to summarize the market implications. It then generates a briefing report and distributes it to leadership automatically. This pipeline automates the gathering and filtering of competitor data, allowing a small team to maintain the same visibility as a massive research department. Use this market intelligence cheat sheet to guide your setup. Focus on specific URLs, route your alerts to Slack, and eventually build an LLM pipeline. Make sure to screenshot this for your next project. All the links to try out Firecrawl Monitor for yourself are in the bio of this podcast or video. Go check it out. Thank you for being part of the AI Technology Chronicles community. Listen to us on all your podcast platforms, LinkedIn and YouTube. We truly appreciate you tuning in. We will see you in the next episode.